Hi, I'm Jintan. Today I'm going to do a banana DNA test. I got a kit from T.A.B.S. So I hope it will be very interesting. So let's unbox the box and see what are there in the box. Some products we need from outside. Some banana, one banana, and some cup of water. If you have big banana, you should just cut it into half. I have medium size banana. I'm going to cut it half into half. If you have small size banana, you can just use it as it is. So let's do the DNA test. First, we'll cut the banana into half. Let's put the banana, crushed banana in the foil cup. See, it is fully smashed. Like this, we have to smash it completely. We'll add some water. I took half cup of water. We should not add fully. Let's add some salt, table salt. And mix it well, but the bubbles should not come. So let's add some detergent, liquid detergent. Mix it well and keep aside. And we have a rubber band from the sticks which they gave. We should just attach the net into the plastic cup with the help of rubber band. So let's put this banana component in the cup with the help of filter. Let's open the cup. Let's remove this plastic net. So this is our residue. Now we'll just pour the residue into our test tube with the help of nibble. This is enough. Now let's add some IPA in it, some drop of IPA in it. We'll use the same test tube. Keep it undisturbed for some time. After some time, clusters have been formed. We can take these clusters using the toothpick which they gave in the kit.
Jayantan, can I ask you a few questions?
Yes, please.
What do you understand by the term genetics?
It is about the study of genes, genetic variations, and heredity in organisms.
Do all the organisms need DNA?
Yes, all organisms have DNA, and DNA is present in the cells.
Hey all, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found this video to be interesting, please share it to your friends and known people. Also, if you want such experimental kit boxes for your kids, please reach out in the number below. Thanks a lot.